Welcome everybody to my art room. In today's video, I'm going to do a bloom. I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to pour some paints in a cup. I'm going to pour it on my canvas, on my pillow paint, like a spiral. And I'm going to do a bloom on top of that. That will be my colored paints for the bloom. So stick around and let's see how it turns out. Hi everybody! I'm going to do something different. Similar but different. So I've put down a pillow paint, which is a mist tint Bare color sample that I got. It's just eggshell colored paint. So I'm going to use that. And I'm gonna try and do like a spiral pour. Let me see. I think I'll use. I'm gonna have to use some contrasting colors. So I've got some dioxazine purple. I'm gonna try and layer them in my cup. This is almost gone. That's done. Oh, I forgot to put my gloves back on. All right, so I got purple in the bottom. I'm going to use some, this is a metallic green. What is it called? It's a metallic leaf green by Artist Loft. So put that down in there too. I think I'll put some gold. You can see this. I'm trying. You can't see my cup, can you? Purple, green, gold. Just maybe I'll just do 4 colors. Do a light. I'll do some metallic. This is a lavender. Lavender frost. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pinch it. I'm gonna it's probably too much paint. I want some of that dark purple to come out. know if this will work, but okay. I'll put my cell activator down. This is regular Floetrol, like 5:1, and a little bit of gloss varnish. Not gloss varnish, gloss gel. Now, what should I do? Try my mini blow. Oh, I lost all my color now. Well, it worked somewhat. It really blended the colors a lot. I just thought I wanted to try that for a while. And these colors are pretty dark. Maybe I shouldn't have used the dark purple, but I'll let the middle come back. All right, let's spin this. I don't like this. Well, it's not bad. It's very dark though. I like the green and the purple together. I think I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to use a lighter. I won't put so much dark. Or I could have tried white cell activator. All right, let's scrape this and try again. In there. I'm going to use the same cup because I'm using the same colors. I'm going to put some dark green in the bottom. Okay, this is a dead one now. Some lavender frost. That one's done. I feel like I need another purple. See if I have any more dark purple. Oh, I have a little bit. I won't put as much. This is a unicorn spit. All right, let's try this again. Well, this time the colors didn't blend in as much, which is good. And I didn't keep it in one spot. All right. I have white cell activator. Which I'm going to give a good stir. I seem to tend to use black cell activator a lot. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Now that worked good. Practice, practice, practice. That's my Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam white. Very pretty. Oh, I guess the dark didn't show up that much, but I'll just wait for the middle to come back. Trying to use up some of my leftover paints. I'm getting there. I've got a few empty containers now. I can make up some new colors. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's mostly lacing though. Maybe the white was a little thin, but let's see how it goes when I spin it. Just a little tile that I was practicing on. I like to do a big one like that. All right, let's give this a spin. One more spin. There we go. I think all my corner, oh, except for this one. There. Okay, I'm done. That's it for today. Come back to Carol's art room. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. I love those colors, green and purple. Ooh. Should dry shiny, I hope. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Give it a try. Spiral underneath. Hi, everybody. My tile dried awesome. Look at that. I really like this one. So pretty and shiny. Smooth. This one dried awesome. There you go. Have a good day. Bye-bye.